everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this HODEDAH Microwave Cart. This is 24 inches wide, 42 inches tall, and then 17 inches deep. This would be great for, like I said, microwave or any other small appliances. If you wanted a toaster oven, something like that, it would work just as well. It does have one drawer with metal drawer guides, so it's really smooth. And then down here, it does have a little cabinet with a shelf. I will show you an up close in just a minute so you can kind of get a better view. On the inside, it does have these little cutouts right here, so you're not gonna have any cords showing from your microwave or your toaster, whatever you wanna put in there. It is made of wood, it's really sturdy. I think this would also be perfect for maybe an office, like an office kitchen, if you wanna keep your microwave and be able to keep some things stored. I think it would be so perfect for that also. The hardware on the handles, they are metal, really durable, really sturdy. I just think that this looks really nice. It's really well made and really well put together. It also has wheels that are lockable, so it's really easy to move, and then you can lock them so it's not gonna roll all over the place. Give me 1 second and I will show you an up close. Okay, so now that you have seen it up close, you've kind of seen all the little details and the space that it provides with the drawer and the little shelving unit down in the bottom. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.